The next time you see a tree, you'll think of this TikTok. Trees have friends, families, economies, and unique personalities. This is part 2. Don't miss part 1 of the Plant Consciousness series. Trees have underground networks called interlinking fungal highways, which act as trading platforms. This map shows a network of only 2 fungal species in the forest. There's over 100 species and the trees communicate and trade through them all. Trees have close friends. They don't discriminate and they're friends with trees of other species. If a tree is struggling, nutrients and even antibiotics are sent through the underground highway. Trees are close friends when they share a thick connection in the underground network. They communicate through low frequency signals in their roots. Trees that are bonded become very reliant on each other. If one dies, the other will too. Sometimes a tree will sacrifice itself to save another. There are old logs in forests that are remainders of trees that perish, yet are still kept alive by the surrounding trees because they don't want to let go of their friends. Suzanne Simard studies mother trees and how they take on supportive maternal roles. Scientists don't know how this occurs, but mother trees recognize their seedlings. They completely support them until they're strong enough to support themselves. The forest floor is dark, and saplings crave sunlight. As they grow up, they develop different strategies to attain this light. Peter Wohlleben tells stories of tree personalities. Some are immature and freeload off the underground network, while not making any progress toward being independent. Then there's other trees that display aggression and greediness. These trees grow diagonally, invading other trees' space, only to collapse later from imbalance. Most trees are sensible enough to grow straight up, knowing that they'll eventually triumph, being grateful for the opportunity. The next time you see a tree, talk to it because it can hear you. Plants have conscious awareness, and trees follow energetic fields. Like and comment if you want this in a part 3.